everyone. Today we are camping at Deep Creek Conservation Park, and you can see the setup over there. So let me show you the camping gears. Here's the camping setup. It's a small kitchen setup, and this is our bedroom. It's 8-person tent. The reason we bought it is that we wanted a big space and like a bedroom actually, so that's why we chose this 8-person wanderer tent. And here you can see it's a toilet tent, and let me show you inside. So here you go. You can take shower as well, and it's really convenient. If you don't want to use the public toilets, then it's really cool for you. Here you can see the water storage cans. The one is drinking water and the other one is to use for dishwashing and other stuff. So we have stored all our equipments in the heavy duty box. It's a storage box. Here you can see the lights. We have got like 3-4 lights, very bright lights for night. And this is fly trap. We have Vespinator too, to get rid of bugs. And this is binocular, gas, and lighters, and torches, some ropes. Here you can see the headlights, head torches, and these are the lights, battery operated lights for night. And what else? These are some steel pegs, extra steel pegs actually, and these are garbage bags. And what else? And this storage box is for our cutlery and kitchen stuff. Here you can see the portable stove. You can put up your gas here, and it's really nice, cool. And we have used its box as a windshield because we don't have any right now. So yeah, it's cool. This tent is these storage spaces, and you also get another storage space over there, so it's easy accessible. You can put your mobile phones in, whatever you want. And this mattress it's a kid's mattress, and it's by Wanderer. And here is the sleeping bag, kid's sleeping bag, and this one is the adult double sleeping bag. Now we are going for a hike. It's nearby waterfall. It's a toddler carrier, and it's really nice for hiking or trekking. So just check it out. It's insect repellent. It's a patch. You can stick it on the clothes, so no skin contact. container. So what's inside it? Oh, it's flour, chicken flour. Here you go. Flour is ready. Yum yum yum. This is the cooler we got. Let me show you. So we have got some eggs and food here. Like this is some leftover food. Some fruits, vegetables, etc. Look at its brightness. Check this one. How handy it is. If you wanna go to a toilet, you just go there, hang it, or stick it, at least on. That's it. And this is the mosquito repellent we have, just in case the mosquito bag doesn't work, so it will work eventually. So this is binocular, National Geographic. It's very nice. So this is cool. You can adjust it. It's good. Here are some of the lights we have. Like it's the torch, and this one is a head torch, and this is removed of this light we have attached it here. So it's a very bright light, and you can dim it also. And we have these fairy lights. These lights.